Is your team overwhelmed by incoming calls, missing vital information, and constantly dealing with spam calls? Miscommunication, missed details, and endless spam calls can lead to frustrated customers and lost productivity. Introducing DialGrid, your solution for seamless call management and spam call elimination.
Hello. You have reached Gray Matters. Could you please tell us the reason for your call?
Hi, I have a question about my recent billing statement.
Hello. I understand you have a question about your billing statement. How can I assist you today?
DialGrid captures the caller's intent and instantly shares it with your team.
Congratulations. You've won a free cruise. To claim your prize, thank you for your call. We are unable to assist with your request at this time. Goodbye.
With immediate insights and spam call filtering, your team can provide personalized service without unnecessary interruptions. Boost productivity by 40%, enhance customer satisfaction, and reduce spam calls by up to 90% with DialGrid. Transform your customer service experience, eliminate spam calls, and stay ahead of the competition. Upgrade to smarter call handling. Contact us at graymatters.com or call 1-732-354-1541 to get started with DialGrid today. Benefits of DialGrid: spam blocking, real statistics on callers, increased productivity, enhanced security, and improved morale.